In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate task summaries with ClickUp AI. If you juggle a lot of tasks or collaborate with a team, having a clear, concise summary can save time, reduce back and forth, and keep everyone aligned. I'll walk you through opening your task, using ClickUp AI, giving it helpful context, reviewing the results, and placing the summary exactly where it belongs. Start by logging into ClickUp and opening the task you want to summarize. This could be a task with a long description, a thread of comments, or even one where you just want a quick recap for status updates. Make sure the most relevant information, like the description, attachments, or recent comments, is present, so the AI has something solid to work with. Inside the task, look for the AI icon in the description or comments area. Click it, then choose Summarize, or simply type a prompt like, "Create a summary of this task." If you're new to ClickUp or setting it up on a new device, there's a link at the top of the description to open ClickUp on the web or download the app so you can follow along easily. You can improve the quality of the result by providing optional context. Add quick notes or highlight key lines if the task is lengthy. Tell the AI what to emphasize, such as deadlines, assignees, priorities, blockers, or next steps. The more specific your focus, the more accurate and actionable the summary will be. When the AI generates the summary, read it carefully. Check that it captures the main goals, important dates, key owners, and any decisions or open questions. If something's missing or not quite right, refine your prompt with a brief note, like "Almo, focus on the due date and dependencies," and run it again for a cleaner result. Once you're happy with it, click Insert to place the summary where it's most useful, directly in the task description, in a comment for quick updates, or in a doc if you want a more permanent record. From there, edit it manually for clarity or tone, keeping it concise and easy for your team to scan. A quick final pass, checking names, dates, and priorities, goes a long way toward avoiding confusion later. That's all you need to generate fast, reliable task summaries with ClickUp AI. If this helped, remember the link at the top of the description to get into ClickUp right away. Thanks for watching.